Okay, hey, it's Rob from Idaho ATV Touring, and back underneath my 570 here to do a little preventative maintenance. Now, we all have these electrical connectors here, and of course they have plastic and rubber grommets on them so that they're actually waterproof, which is really good, really good. There's several of them in here. And but in the owner's manual it says to separate them and put dielectric grease into them, so at about 1,000 miles. This of course prevents corrosion, because any kind of electrical connection, be it even if it has waterproof gaskets or whatever, can sustain corrosion, and from connections with electricity. Electricity generates heat. Heat generates corrosion. So we're going to be putting some dielectric grease in my motor control, electrical controls today, and trying to get a few of those done. Now on this one here, it requires that you take a screwdriver and pry the one little area. There's like a lock thing. You'll see it, and you gotta just pry it this way a little bit. It separates. You pull it right apart. These have a little pull thing. Boom, comes right off. Boom, comes right up. And just squirt a little dielectric grease in there, and you'll be just fine.